Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor, MIT Aurangabad. Today I will discuss the point solution of ordinary differential equation by Laplace transform by solving one differential equation involving uh, unit impulse function as voltage. Therefore, solve the differential equation L into di by dt plus Ri is equals to delta of t minus 2, and the condition is I of 0 is equals to 0. Capital A stands for inductance, capital R stands for resistance, and I current flowing through that circuit. And this right hand side delta of t minus 2 represent the unit impulse function. Therefore, here given differential equation is L di by dt plus Ri is equals to delta of t minus 2. Dividing throughout by L, we get di by dt plus R divided by L into I is equals to 1 by L delta of t minus 2. Then taking Laplace transform on both sides, taking Laplace transform on both sides, we get Laplace of left hand side, Laplace of right hand side. Taking individual Laplace, Laplace transform of first term di by dt, R by L constant term I can take outside, Laplace transform of I is equals to 1 by L constant term, Laplace transform of delta of t minus 2. Okay, and then finding the Laplace of first order derivative, standard result, using that standard result, it is s f bar of s, here function is I, therefore I bar of s minus I of 0 this is the Laplace transform of first order derivative di by dt, plus R by L constant term, Laplace of I, again I bar of s is equals to 1 by L constant term, Laplace of that Dirac delta function of unit impulse function is e raised to minus as, a is here 2, and therefore it is e raised to minus 2s. Then collecting the terms of I bar of s, there are two terms of I bar of s, we get s plus R by L multiplied by I bar of s is equals to 1 by L e raised to minus 2s. Then dividing throughout by s plus R by L, coefficient of I bar of s, value of I of 0 is 0, therefore if you transfer that to right hand side, it remains 0. And then dividing by this term, we get I bar of s as 1 by L 1 upon s plus R by L into e raised to minus 2s. We call this as equation 1. And then we require to find inverse of this, taking inverse Laplace transform of equation 1. Therefore, we have inverse Laplace of I bar of s is equals to 1 by L inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s plus r by L into e raised to minus 2s. To find the inverse of right hand side term, we have to apply standard result. Inverse Laplace of e raised to minus as into f bar of s is f of t minus a into u of t minus a. We have to apply this. And therefore, here it is e raised to minus as into f bar of s in this form. Therefore, we try to apply this. For that, first of all, I will find inverse Laplace transform of that f bar of s. That function f bar of s is here 1 upon s plus r by L. Its inverse is 1 upon s plus a. Its inverse is e raised to minus as. A is here r by L times s. T 1 upon s plus r by L. Its inverse is e raised to minus r by L times t, and we call this as f of t. And therefore, inverse Laplace transform of 1 upon s plus r by L multiplied by e raised to minus 2s is equals to f of t minus a. F of t minus a is here 2 into u of t minus a, and therefore it is equals to replacing t by t minus 2 in this, we get e raised to minus r by L times t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. Okay, this is the inverse Laplace of this term. Substituting in this equation, we get inverse of left hand side is I of t is equals to 1 by L as it is into inverse Laplace of this term, and inverse Laplace of this is e raised to minus r by L times t minus 2 into u of t minus 2. That can be further simplified as per definition of displaced unit step function, that function is having two values 0 and 1. If this one is 0, this complete term becomes 0 for t less than 2, and its value is 1. 1 into this, we get that term as 1 by L into e raised to minus r by l times t minus 2 into 1 for the condition t greater than or equals to 2. As the required answer. Or required solution of that given differential equation. Simple problem. Only important is the Laplace transform of that Dirac delta function or unit impulse function. Laplace of delta of t minus 2. That formula we have to apply. And then as usual we try to find the solution of that differential equation. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thank you.